Guys, it's all up in that chicken. Oh my goodness. You don't even want to not try this recipe, okay? Now with those amazing juices here from the chicken, just go ahead and just kind of coat the top portion of the chicken thighs, you guys, just like so, very gently. If you want to turn the stove top down to like a low heat, you could do that because you don't want to burn the sauce for sure. So you could turn it down. But look at that. That looks so good. When you talk about tender, delicious chicken and it smells amazing, the entire house smells fabulous. Okay? Amazing. Now, this is what we're going to do because remember, we're adding butter to the mix. Now, after the chicken is done, I did go in and put a couple of slices of the butter on top of the chicken, right? Just like so good. Oh my goodness. You better try the recipe, I know. And then what I did was just go in